In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Slack to Intercom. If you want messages and updates from your workspace to reach the right place in Intercom, this connection is the first step. Follow along at a calm pace, and you can pause the video at any time if you need extra time to find a button. To begin, click Settings. This is usually located in the lower left corner or in the main navigation area, depending on your interface layout. When you click it, you will see a panel or page that contains the tools used to manage integrations and account settings. This step matters because all channel connections are controlled from here. Next, click Channels. In the Channels area, you will typically see options for different communication platforms. This is where you tell Intercom which tools you want to connect so that your agents and customers can communicate through the right pathways. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section, since you may see multiple categories. After that, click Slack. This selection tells Intercom that you want to connect the Slack workspace as a channel. You should see an option to start connecting, such as a Connect button or an onboarding flow for Slack. If the page asks for permissions or setup details, you will handle those right after the connection begins. Then click Connect Workspace. This action starts the linking process between your Intercom account and your Slack workspace. Depending on your browser and settings, you may be redirected to a sign-in screen. This is expected, and it is how Slack verifies that you have permission to connect. Now sign in to your Slack workspace. Enter the login credentials for your Slack account when prompted. Make sure you sign into the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one. After you complete the sign-in, you should be returned to the connection process or shown a permissions page. Once you see the permission prompt, click Allow. This step is important because it grants Intercom permission to access the Slack workspace features needed for channel syncing. If you ever want to change permissions later, you can usually review it in your connected apps settings. But for now, Allow is what completes the handshake. Next, select the Slack channels you want to connect. Look for the list of channels presented on the screen. Choose the specific channels that match your support and communication workflow. This selection determines which places in Slack will be connected to Intercom, so take a moment to choose carefully and match channels to your team's needs. After selecting the channels, click Add Channels. This confirms your choices and instructs Intercom to begin linking those channels. You may see a confirmation message, a syncing status indicator, or the channels displayed under your Slack integration. At this point, the Slack to Intercom connection should be set up based on the channels you selected. If you do not see anything change right away, give it a moment, since some systems take a short time to refresh and display the newly added channels. Once it looks correct, you are ready to use the integration as intended. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.